Welcome to the Rapid Adjudication Tool training video for the Integrated Gaming System Campaign Planning and Rehearsal System version 3.0.5.10. The Rapid Adjudication Tool, or RAT, gives planners the ability to quickly analyze the expected success of a particular course of action. So to advance the time of the campaign, let's start by running a rehearsal. The way the RAT works is any entities within a sector at the time the RAT is open will be included in the analysis. In this case, we're going to be looking at the blue force sector. So let's advance the time of the campaign so that red entities enter that sector, and then open the RAT. Select the blue force sector in order to see the results. The top three metrics are used to calculate an advantage ratio to determine which side defeated the enemy. The estimated time to defeat the enemy calculates the time it takes in hours for one of the side's combat power to be reduced to 0. The color of these last two fields indicates the affiliation of the winning side. The end combat power metric indicates what the combat power of each side will be at the end of the engagement. The losing side will always be 0. So if we close the tool and continue advancing the campaign so that additional red entities enter the sector, we can reopen the RAT, choose the blue force sector, and see that even though blue is still the winner, it has a lower ending combat power than it did previously because there are additional red units now within the sector. From the Additional Units tab, you can select an additional unit from the list of default units within IGS to see the effect that those additional units would have on the warfight. In this case, let's add 3 additional units to the red affiliation, go back to the control panel, and see now that with those 3 additional units, red is now considered the winner. The Graph of Results tab shows the estimated reduction of combat power over time for both of the sides, with the color of the bars indicating the affiliation of each side. The x-axis is the time in hours, and the y-axis is the percentage of combat power.